Five little ducks went out to play on a sunny, bright and happy day. Over the hills and far away, Mama Duck said, "Quack, come back this way." Quack, 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 what a sight. Five little ducks marched left and right, splish and splash in a puddle of blue, playing together like ducks love to do. Five little ducks went down the stream, floating along like a happy dream. They saw a frog go hop, 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 and watched a turtle slowly plop. Four little ducks went up a hill. The wind was blowing soft and still. They flapped their wings and gave a cheer. Adventure time was finally here. Three little ducks saw butterflies fly, colorful wings in the bright blue sky. They chased the breeze and spun around, laughing with every silly sound. Two little ducks found a shady tree where buzzing bees hummed happily. They waddled close and took a peek, then splashed in water with a squeak. One little duck felt sleepy now, so Mama Duck said, "Let's go home somehow." Quack, 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 loud and clear, all five little ducks came waddling near. Five little ducks back home again. After their journey through sun and rain, they snuggled close and tucked in tight, dreaming of adventures through the night.